Good morning students. How are you? Fine. Very good. I am also fine. So today the date is 1st October 2020 and today the day is Thursday. Our subject is maths and day is 40. Okay. In maths today we will do what comes between. What comes between two given numbers. So before this I am going to first draw a number line. Now this is a line. Okay. Now I am going to put numbers on it. So then we called it number line. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a line and these are the numbers. So we called it number line. What is this? Number line. Now I am going to write some numbers. 4. Next number is missing. And next is this. Okay. Again. 2. Next is missing. 4. 5. 8. Next is missing. 10. 5. Next is missing. 7. Okay. So now we are doing what comes between. What comes between. What comes between two given numbers. So here we can see a number 4 and this is number C6. So we have to find out what number will come in this place. Okay. First we will find out where is 4 on this number line. This is number 4. Okay. Now 6 is also given. Now we will find where is 6 number. Find out this is 6 number. Okay. And which number comes in between these two numbers, given numbers? This one. 5. So 5 number will come in this place. 5. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 5 was missing. So I am going to write down this place. Okay. Next 2. Now find out where is 2 on this number line. This is number 2. I am going to make a line and below 2. Now this is 4 is given. Now find out where is 4. Here. This is 4. Again I am going to put a mark below number 4. Now find out which number comes between 2 and 4. Which number is coming between 2 and 4? Between means बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? This is 2, this is 4 and 3 comes between 2 and 4. 3. Which number? 3. So I am going to write number 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now come to this side. Number 8. Find out where is number 8. This is number 8. I am going to put a small line below 8. This is number 10. Find out where is 10. This is number 10. So now find out which number comes between 8 and 10. Between 8 and 10 which number comes? Read this number. 9. Read this number. 9. So I am going to write 9 this place. 8, 9, 10. Now read 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now look this. This is number 5. Find out where is 5. Find out this is 5. Put a mark. Find out where is 7. This is 7. Now between 5 and 7. Between 5 and 7. Which number comes 5 and 7. 5 और 7 के बीच में क्या आता है? This is 5, this is 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 5 and 7 के बीच में, between, number is 6. So I am going to write number 6. 5, 6, 7. Now read. 5, 6, 7. So in this way you also have to do your work in your maths notebook. So I will click the photograph of your maths notebook and send it to you. Okay, first I want to show you how you have to do your work in your maths notebook. Let's start. Students, this is your maths notebook. First you have to write down the date. 1st October 2020. What comes between? Okay, now look, the first one 7, and here you can see a dash and then 9. So before solving this, what you have to do, you have to draw a number line like this. This is a line, okay, and then put numbers on it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one thing I want to tell you everyone, this number line you have to do it by yourself only. Don't ask your parents कि mama draw कर दो, papa draw कर दो. Nobody will draw. You have to do it by yourself. Okay? So after draw this, then you have to solve these sums. First draw a number line and then solve these sums. First I am going to tell you again. This is 7, this is 9. On this number line, find out where is 7. This is number 7. 9 is given. Find out where is 9. This is 9. Which number is coming between 7 and 9? Number 8. So this number 8 you have to write down here. So in this way you have to complete this work. Okay students, so I will send the photo of this page. Complete your work and then I will check your work and do it by yourself. Okay, goodbye, take care of yourself.